Greetings, digital dreamers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the realm of AI-generated CGI videos. I'm thrilled to guide you through this magical process where we'll transform ordinary footage into a cinematic masterpiece using the power of artificial intelligence. So let's dive into this adventure and unlock the secrets of AI-powered creativity. Imagine a world where you can create stunning CGI movies with a few clicks. A world where the boundaries of reality and imagination blur seamlessly. That's the power of AI in the world of CGI animation. Today, we're using a groundbreaking tool, Wonder Studio from Wonder Dynamics, which simplifies this complex process into manageable steps. It's so user-friendly that it's like having a digital Spielberg at your fingertips. Our first step is to enter the gateway of Wonder Dynamics. Visit their website or use the link in our video description. Here you'll find the Sign Up button beckoning you to start your journey. You can sign up using your Google or email account. It's like getting a VIP pass to an exclusive world of digital artistry. Once you're in the Wonder Studio dashboard, it's time to lay the foundation of your masterpiece. Click Create New Project and navigate to the Upload Video section. Here, you'll upload your video, the raw canvas awaiting the touch of AI magic. Next, we delve into the heart of your video, the actors. Click Scan Frame for Actors to let Wonder Studio's AI scan your video. Like a digital sculptor, the AI detects each actor, encasing them in clickable frames. It's a moment where technology meets art, identifying the soul of your video. Now the enchantment begins. Select an actor and choose a CGI character from Wonder Studio's gallery or upload your own creation. Drag your chosen character onto the original actor's frame. It's a mesmerizing dance of pixels where your actor begins their transformation into a CGI avatar. Repeat this for each frame, watching as your video evolves into a CGI spectacle. With your character set, it's time for the grand finale. Click Start Processing to begin rendering your CGI animation. Choose your resolution and format, and watch as the AI weaves its magic. Once the rendering is complete, hit Export to save your AI-generated CGI masterpiece. And there you have it, a journey from the mundane to the extraordinary, all through the power of AI and your creativity. I hope this tutorial has sparked a flame of inspiration in you. If you have questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments. Thank you for joining me in this AI Chateau's video. If you've enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. Stay tuned for more adventures in the world of artificial intelligence tutorials. Until next time, keep dreaming and creating.